What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out with another reaction, man. Another reaction. Another reaction. Another one. It's another one. It's another one. And today we are reacting to Verdansk. Verdansk. So if you play Call of Duty, if you play Warzone, you know what Verdansk is, right? If you do that, you know what Verdansk is. But I'm not sure what relation this song have to do with Verdansk. But so we are gonna find out. We are gonna find out because I'm the first man listen to it. So let's go.
Just had to kick a chick out of the studio for the shit's nuts. Nah, like in Cal's words, the truth is madder than fiction, fam. It's nuts out here.
I write that shit down.
Look, I see a thing that I touch, tell me about talking stage, gotta tell her don't force it. Beef, man, pepper and salt it. Me and RJ gotta pull up, no talking. Trap, you ain't got a rack to your name, my bro. Brick Lane, we don't know about Shoreditch. Rental, I never insured it. M25, gotta whip that calmly. Man, try beef, my doggy. Warzone ting, how I come for a party. My little nigga can't lose that cash. I drop YGs, do it like Kalani.
This dude is so talented, dog. Like I said earlier on, if we don't know the game, Warzone, Call of Duty Warzone, I think this is this scene when he's about to jump out of the plane. Put on my glass, car. Them in that trouble.
I don't rock Gucci or Armani. ST from ST, I can't squash that beef like fruit and barley. Still got a one black star like Kwame. Free car convoy in Sutton. My mum got matching whips with young'uns. Should've made Sinead hold on something, but it never would've worked. Cause the girl too stubborn. Young G's talking my name on the ends. Gotta tell him, man, please don't risk it. On the right day, man, I just frisk him. On the wrong day, I'm getting man airlifted.
And alright, then we just give him a phrase and just take everything we have. And I rang there, brother. I hear ambulance to come pick you up here. Critical condition if you're not dead. Critical. Yeah, life support machine in the pants for the next 6 months. Be yourself, youth. Don't risk it.
I'm in Hollywood Hills with a white Rolls Royce and a one brown in from Compton. The Lambo parked just in front, man. Pull up to the bumper and do it like Conscience. She wanna go LV.
Big up Conscience. In just refer to Conscience a while ago. In just yeah, big up to Conscience. Pull up to your bumper. No, Conscience sing a bump. This is bother me now. This is bother me now. Sorry, but me have to pull up to that one. Conscience, yeah. Yeah. See that feature. Feature and 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Pull up to your bumper, pull up to your bumper. Yeah.
Lambo parked just in front, man. Pull up to the bumper and do it like Conscience. She wanna go LV, no problem. Went for the cheapest bag, that's nonsense. I took 100 bags from Barclays Bank, no cap. You can go and ask Ellie.
Took 100 bags from Barclays, no cap. You can go and ask that. The man not telling a lie. The man give you reference to go and ask. The man give you witness to go and ask.
One mind, bouncing Betty. The bag 4K like a HD telly. Best believe that I'm back like Nelly. Chest petite with a back like jelly. I'm seeing man sent indirects. If you want a war man, then you better be vocal.
Mama, you called me a while ago? Mama, you just called me a while ago? Oh, sorry, me never know if you called me. Hold on, let me go back to this.
Like jelly, I'm seeing man sent indirects. If you want a war man, then you better be vocal. My right hand got a semi that's local, and this brown, and I can't post on socials.
The only man when we can think they do well send fame with it was Chip, but it wasn't an indirect. It was a direct. That was a direct. Chip did call name. Chip did go direct, so I don't know who else has sent film. If an next person send film in the comment, put in the comment section, let me know please guys, because I don't know who that.
My girl gotta be far from social. I don't wanna see her at Carney. 488 in the party.
My girl have to be far from social. You see me? She can't be up on a social thing and you see me? Anti-social she fi be. Me no want to see her in a carnival neither.
From social, I don't wanna see her at Carney. 488 in the party, LBC, how I nicked the Ferrari. Girls say we're the littiest batch in South London, and bro's a fact. Airport, we're going for bands. I hopped out the plane, I ain't going for Verdansk. What you know about telling the 1010 to keep her clothes on and moving good? I ain't on beating or misogyny, it's mahogany, I got bougie wood. Look, Airbnb with the guys, it's a white man's face that I used to book.
Airbnb with the guys is a white man face me used to book. So basically, he might give them wrong identity. Well, he not use field name, he might make somebody else book it and then them stay there.
Chill with a stupid looks, or it's gonna be a kettle that I used to cook. I see a thing that I touch, tell me about talking stage, gotta tell her don't force it. Beef man, pepper and salt it, me and RJ gotta pull up, no talking trap. You ain't got a rack to your name, my bro, brick lane, we don't know about Shoreditch. Rental, I never insured it, M25 got a whip that calmly. Man try beef, my doggy, Warzone ting, how I come for a party. My little nigga can't lose that cash, I drop YGs, do it like Kalani. I don't rock Gucci or Armani, ST from ST, I can't squash that beef like fruit and barley. Still got a one black star like. I see a thing that I touch, tell me about talking stage, I'm telling her don't stretch it. Beef man can never neglect it, me and MC we pull up to inspect it. Trap, you ain't ever made 10 bags, brick laying, it's like Tetris. Deep I never invested, M23 I whip that slowly. We got heat in South when I head central, don't carry shit. My shooter thought about touching the city till I made that call like Sir Alex did. If the bar low, then I'm a limbo, a Kimbo. Blade for a Jimbo, sand that, tan that, fran like Cisco. Real old school like Addy and Timbo. More time, I ain't tryna step out co-op. My hood hot like Jane and Finch. Me and RJ on some.
If you know about Jane and Finch, you know about Jane and Finch. Jane and Finch, they're Canada. One of the maddest part of Canada, Jane and Finch. If you don't know about Jane and Finch, then know. Man say him not try to step out of co-op. You see me? Him would act like Jane and Finch. If you know about Jane and Finch, you know about Jane and Finch, dog.
More time, I ain't tryna step out co-op. My hood hot like Jane and Finch. Me and RJ on survival mode. Still do a two-player like Kane and Lynch. No Lynch when I hang got her. She when I hang got a tech. This thing don't flinch. 7-inch got a punch like first of the month. No pinch, no pass, 2 cars like.
Pinch and punch first. Yo, what the blood? The man to step up on next gear when the song's soon done.
Two-player like Kane and Lynch. No Lynch when I hang got her. She when I hang got a tech. This thing don't flinch. 7-inch got a punch like first of the month. No pinch, no pass, 2 cars like.
Let's do this.
16 stepped inside. Shotgun, got one, not one that you find in the side of your best friend's ride. Slide.
You get that? Shotgun. Not one that you find in the best friend's side, best friend ride. When a man say, yo, I'm riding shotgun, that means you're a passenger, right? So, not the shotgun that me attack.
Not one that you find in the side of your best friend's ride. Slide. Bro, it's a fact. Downtown, she going for bands. I hopped out the plane, I ain't going for Verdansk.
Ocean front. It's a movie. Jadi kita compete teman now. That was sick. That was sick. That was actually sick. But the part I must say, Man, not show indirect.
Look at this. Look at this.
Look, man, look
Couch
at nothing.
automatic.
Man, look at nothing. The part where man said, man, not show indirect. I don't know. I need help on that one, the dog. Me need help. Maybe it's just words, but me need help. See me. You see me? Me need help on that one there. Yo, that this part. Me not joke. This part. Me love this one. By Dave. Dave, big up yourself, dog. Big up yourself in G. Verdansk, dog. Guys, this is how we're gonna leave the one here still. This is how we're gonna leave the one. If you try the one and want to see more, still, you know if you do. Leave a like, comment down below, let me know. And also, guys, don't forget to subscribe, guys, subscribe. You understand? See you guys on the next one. Peace out.